Hi everyone, I'm here preparing some snacks for my mom and my son and myself. So we have 3 plates, and then we have this granola from Cecilia. Cecilia's granola. Oh, the reflection. Yes, Cecilia's granola. The seeds of power. She's talking with us at Malkia Nutrition. This jar goes for 400, so I've brought this for my mom. And then this is Mwingi honey. Mwingi honey. It's the same container like this one. This one she has repurposed it for Himalayan salt. And then I have put some, in addition to the granola, I have put some cashew nuts, as you can see. And what I want to add now is almonds and some bananas and yogurt, and that will be it. So let's cut the bananas. So I have peeled or removed the skin of the banana, and I will cut them into bite sizes. My son is 5 years, so he's able to take it this size comfortably. But if your child is younger, you can put smaller chunks. Then I will add, so when I say you only need 2 to 3 pieces of cashew nuts, is because you're not just eating the 2 to 3 pieces. These are 4, these are 3 pieces, and this one has around 5. So I'll put 3 pieces per plate. It's because it's not the only thing you're taking. You're taking it in combination with other things. Then now I'm going to scoop the honey. I'll scoop the Mwingi honey. But we have Mwingi honey, we also have Samburu honey. It's just this is what we are using for now. What we are using for now is the Mwingi honey. So I'll take a scoop per plate. So I will put like a tablespoon or 3/4 tablespoon, because honey is a good source of energy, and it's also good for boosting our immunity, especially if someone is feeling ill. Right, so help me with the bananas. Help me to peel the bananas. Okay. Oh, peel. Peel. No, not with the knife. The knife is for cutting. Peel the banana. This is the yogurt that we are using for now. But we sometimes try to make our own homemade yogurt, or even the maziwa mala, the soya milk. So now you cut them into pieces. Place it on the board, on the cutting board here. Put the other piece. Peel the other one. Now put the pieces, 1 in each plate. Let's go. 1. Start from that end.
Ooh, I missed.
You did.
Yeah.
2, 3. 1, 2. Put here. Here. 3. 1, 2. All right. Do you wanna put the yogurt?
Mommy, I think it was very hot.
So that you can't eat cold things. Good, that's enough. Which one do you want to have? Take 1. 1,
2, 3. 3 plates.
3 plates for me. Justin and Shosho. All right, you're taking that one. Yes, I take mine too. We also added some flax seeds to the mix. So granola is just a mix of seeds and nuts and oats that have been baked. So some nuts and seeds you can eat them raw. So if you have them raw, like the cashews and the cashew nuts and the almonds, that's why you eat them raw. Right, so it's our pantry. We got chia seeds. So we reuse the containers.
Come back. Cold food. Mommy. Mommy, this is our cave.
Our?
Cave.
Cave.
Mommy, those are cold foods. And Shasha's remote.